If you're looking to set up customizable products for your WooCommerce store, this is the video for you. I'm going to walk you through creating a sweater that can be customized with embroidered text, a choice of fonts, and different colors. Customers will also be able to see all their changes live, right on the product image in the gallery. I'll do this using the plugin Advanced Product Fields for WooCommerce with the Live Content Preview add-on. For this tutorial, we're starting with a product that already has the basics in place. It's a simple product with a product title, a base price, and the main product images. Our sweater will have 3 different color options, so the first thing we need to do is add those. Scroll down the page and get to the product data section, and on the left here you will see a tab called Custom Fields. This is where the Advanced Product Fields options are and what we'll be using to set up our custom product. To allow customers to switch between the different color options, we're going to add some swatches that they can click on. To do this, quickly add your first field button, and from the field type drop-down, select color swatches. We'll give this field a label, sweater color will do. The options section here is where we'll add the color swatches. After clicking add option, you'll see some fields. We have 3 color options for this sweater, blue, red, and purple, and I've already got some hex codes saved for these colors, but you can add yours using the color picker should you want to. We can also add things like labels and detailed pricing at this stage, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it simple. Now that our color swatches are set up, we're going to make the product image change when a customer selects a color. So we'll scroll down within the Custom Fields tab to the Layout and Design Settings section and click the Change Product Image toggle button. We will click Add New to create our first rule and select blue as our first swatch. I've put together one image that will change for each of my color swatches, so I will upload that for each swatch here. Once those are saved, customers will see the product image switch as soon as they select a color. Next, we'll add the text field for the embroidered name. Click on the Add Field button underneath your color swatches, and this time we'll select text as our field type. Again, we'll give it a label. I'm going for embroidered name. We'll also tick the required box so customers can't add the sweater to their cart without filling it in. And to top it off, we'll add a default value so customers can see what it will look like before adding their name. If you want to, you could add an extra cost for the customization by clicking the Adjust Pricing toggle button and adding a fee. You can get pretty specific with this. Next, let's set up our font picking fields so that customers can make sure their embroidery looks exactly how they want. To do this, we will add another field, give it the label font, and then create one option for each font we're going to add. These are just the names for the fonts here. We'll add the actual fonts next. Before we do, make sure to save your product, and then we'll make our way over to WooCommerce, then Settings, click the Product Fields tab, and then the Live Content Preview link. On this settings page, we'll be able to upload the fonts we want to offer as options on our sweater. These need to be WOF files, so keep that in mind, but you can upload as many as you like. Make sure to add a name to the font field because we'll be needing that later. Now we have those set up, we're going to make our way back to our product because next we're going to set up our live preview. Okay, let's make our way back to the Custom Fields tab. We'll scroll down past the Layout and Design settings and stop at the Live Content Preview section. To let customers see in real time what their custom embroidery will look like, we're going to set up where the text will go and how big it will be. Click Add New and we'll be walked through a step-by-step pop-up. First, we'll see the product image we want the preview to appear on. This is going to be our main sweater image. The second step is selecting which field we'll add to the preview. In this case, it's the text field we set up, but you could use this for file uploads as well, where the customer can upload images and you can live preview them one on top of the other. Next, we'll customize what this looks like. We've got our product image ready here, so to set up the text position, draw your boundary box like so. You can customize this however you like by adjusting the font size, the text color, and the alignment. Next, we need to make sure that when people select their font from the drop-down we created earlier, they can actually see that in real time. To do this, click Set Dynamic Value underneath the Font Details section. This will open a pop-up where we'll select the font field, then the font itself in Field Value, and lastly, the font name we chose earlier. We'll do this for each of our font options. Okay, we're done, so let's click Done and update our product, and let's go take a look at it live on our site. As you can see, when a customer clicks a color swatch, the live preview image updates. As they type a name, the text updates on the clothing, and when they change the font, that updates too. If we add this product to our cart and take a look, you can see confirmation of our customization. All of this and so much more is possible with advanced product fields for WooCommerce. If you want to take a closer look, you can find all the links in the description of this video. See you next time.